Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday. My dad just came in. Oh no, he's gonna yell at me for recording. Oh no. What are you doing? You growing your special crops?
Oh, shut up. Get out of
You
here.
growing your special crops?
Don't show my face.
You have to wear a bandana and like a hoodie.
Oh, no, I lost that.
Be like in them drug shows. Guys, it's pouring the rain down. It's freaking raining for like 3 days. It poured rain down last night. Didn't it, Dad? Did you see that bird yet? Did you see it? Isn't it freaky?
Yes, that is freaky.
Woo! What do you think it is? I know what you think it is.
I think Bigfoot put that there. And he told us not to leave the trailer.
It could be.
See them trees broken down there? Did you do that?
Where?
Down in the field.
Mhm.
It like broke off.
Oh yeah, I did that.
Oh, okay.
I did that the other day when I was walking there.
They're all cut down anyway.
Yeah, I know. I was like,
It's cold out there.
it's a wet, soggy day.
It's a wet, cold, soggy day.
Guys, we're up at 8 o'clock in the morning.
Why?
No.
You didn't know. You didn't get
I
up till
was joking. I
1:30.
was showing him. It was a
Okay,
joke.
time
I
for me to
know.
get
I was
to work
showing him.
already. He's
Uh,
already out, so don't blame
I
him.
know. He's wanting out because you was out there. I'm just letting him out.
Oh, you did? He went out?
Yeah, he's let me
Oh,
out.
he wants you to go down and chase the cat. That's all he wants.
That kitten that ate the dead rabbit.
I don't know what it is.
You said it was a kitten. Dave said you're probably nuts. He said, "Are you sure it's a kitten?"
I think he's nuts because he's a Hillary lover.
I mean, no, he's a Bernie Sanders.
Commie lover.
They're actually fascist.
No, he's a socialist.
Good thing.
Socialist, same thing as a communist.
No, they're not.
Yes, they are.
A little bit different.
Oh, no, they're not.
Yeah, they are. I remember in high school, I had this class with this history teacher, right? And he had like a chart on the wall saying like how the different government work. They have like, if you have a cow in this government, you could do this. And the government does this and that. And it's like, yeah. And like, yeah, it had like a chart of like all the different kinds of government.
What was the best? Democracy?
I don't know. They said
Damn.
they said that the what does America have? I can't remember. The government. No, it was like the free. No.
It's free, democratic.
No, I'm talking about like the markets. Like, what market do we have?
Free
Like,
market.
yeah, they said like that market, like you take your county house and you pay someone else to take care of it for you. So,
Man, you're a communist, socialist. Everyone takes care of it.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna eat breakfast at like 2:30. It really is 2:30, guys. If you can't, I'm just eating breakfast. You don't even eat lunch. You just eat breakfast. What time did you get up, huh? Huh?
10:30.
Sure was. Why do I feel like you're lying? Why didn't? Do you see Jake? He laid with me right beside me all morning.
I know him. He got up, opened the door, he got up, and then went back and got in bed with you.
Really, Jake?
Yeah. Well, I don't know why he loves you so
Oh my
much.
goodness. I'll cut it. I will, don't worry. Jake's my dog. Huh, Jake? Yeah.
Stuff you don't cut.
Yes, I do.
Your video of the birds up there attacking the hawk.
Yeah, no, I
Can't
couldn't even
even
see
see
it. Because there's two, I know. Because my phone didn't, it's weird when there's stuff far away on the phone. Yeah, but it still didn't work. You can see them just barely, there's little tiny dots. But to us it looks different, if that makes sense.
You see Bigfoot on there, he was running across the field.
Oh man, oh, I forgot about that one. Oh man. Alright guys, I'll cut back later. Alright guys, I'm back. Gee whiz, this is a rainy, freaking miserable looking day. Do you know that? It is. You know what? Everyone didn't like this yesterday. It was nice yesterday.
Was it?
Yes, it was.
I can't remember. Yeah, it was.
It was real nice yesterday until later in the day.
Until later in the day.
Now it poured down the rain.
Oh, well, handle it.
I don't want to handle it. You handle it. Feels like it's like midnight. Not midnight, but like later in the day.
Too many dark, cloudy days.
I know we're gonna get depressed.
How been depressed?
Oh, truth comes out.
I mean, no, I'm happy.
Truth comes out.
What is this?
Black Dog Coffee. What the heck is this?
My secret formula.
Black Dog Coffee?
Yep.
You don't ever drink it.
I'm missing something here.
Got your machine, phone, pills.
Need a little Coke. Hey, I got some booze. All right.
Yeah, I got a whole bunch of them.
You don't drink them all.
I don't drink them.
I need Coke. We ain't got no Coke. Where's all the Cokes at?
I don't know.
Too dark in here. Can't see
I know, because it's too cloudy.
my tomatoes ain't coming up. I don't know what's wrong with them.
It's too cold.
Not in the window. Probably is in here because the heat was off.
Mm-hmm. You just planted them like a day ago.
I can't find nothing anymore.
Well, good.
I
Don't.
don't know what I need. Take some candy with me.
Worry.
Would you stand out of my way?
I'm over here. We had a bigger house. I wouldn't be in your way.
Shut up. We had a bigger house. We had more money.
Dad, listen to me. Listen to what I'm going to say.
I'm going to make $1,000,000 someday. Oh. What?
We could easily rent a big house.
No. What do you want to rent a big house for? You live
Better
here
than
for
this
nothing.
dump.
You live here for nothing.
I don't know about that one.
You rent, they could kick you anytime you want to.
Our water causes cancer.
Oh, it does not.
Yeah, it does. It says letters.
It does say causes cancer.
I looked it up. That's what it does. They said there's a normal high amount of like some kind of acid, and I looked it up, and it says it causes cancer. No, and then like 3 months later, it tested for
You want to
fucking.
hook up to well water then?
Yes.
Okay.
Get a good filter for it and boil that shit.
We can do that.
Did I tell you Dave has like he filters his water out too?
Want to pay $800-900 for a new pump?
Yeah, let's do it.
That's a pump might still be good. I don't know.
No, it's not. It's been ran for 50 years.
No, it has not.
Probably been that long.
10 years.
At least 20.
15 maybe.
20.
15 years at the most.
20.
No, we're not. Still have water for your mama's living here.
Yeah, and she stopped living there when I was like 3.
No.
Yeah, when I was like 5.
You can't even remember.
What?
Okay, I'm out here.
I remember it vaguely. I remember calling the house from up here.
Doing what?
I remember calling the house.
You can call
Remember I took the phone and everything, I called the house to left a bunch of messages?
me. Whose house?
Our house!
Oh, yeah, for that
Because remember? You don't remember that.
kind of.
Because it is new. I just learned her phone number and I took the phone out of that house and I called the house and left a bunch of messages on the answering machine. No, I was just me being stupid because we was all up here and I was like, I'm gonna take the phone and call the house because they just done the number.
Yeah, I think you did.
I don't know. I was like 3. I just learned the phone number.
3 or 4, something like that.
Mm-hmm.
No, man, you smart when you go. I don't know what happened to you when you got older.
Still smart.
Uh,
Should do an IQ test to see how smart I am.
I'm like 205.
The highest has ever been like 200.
It's like,
Yeah, whose was that?
oh yeah,
Yeah, it was actually. It really was.
we got smart people today too.
Yeah, but not like that. Well,
I wonder what Da Vinci was.
I don't know.
Get out of my way and quit following me around. I gotta blow my nose.
You know, an IQ test isn't really like a lot of people don't like it anymore because it just measures how much you know. It doesn't measure how you use that knowledge. If that makes sense. If that makes sense. Does that make sense? Yeah, it does. But I want to take an IQ test. How do we take an IQ test?
I don't know, go to college or somewhere.
Go to college. What?
Get on your phone.
I looked it up on my phone, but I can't find anything. Everything's like, you have to buy it or put in your email, and I only put in my email address, because then you get shit. Seriously, I'm going to try to find one.
Get on and water some chicken.
Remember, I took that one day, it says, like, college student, remember? Like, what average grade, like, thing you went
Get on
to?
to Southern States or Texas. I think they do.
Did you hear what I said?
What is that?
I said, remember when you took that test to see what...
I was higher than you.
Barely.
That's a couple of courses I knew that had brain power. Couldn't name some.
Uh-huh. Brain fog, Dad.
Actually, was a little above average.
Yeah, we was actually, like, it said we both had a 4-year college.
Yeah, too. That's what my GED test said too. I had
Yeah.
like a year or 2 of college knowledge. You know?
I wasn't, like, the top, what was it, like, top 10 percentile or something.
Maybe I should have went to college back in the
Did
day.
you hear me, Dad?
Then we won't be
Do you know they
living
put me in the top 10?
Huh?
They put me in the top 10.
Did they?
Yeah, people who took the test, GT test.
Was I don't know if I was in the top 10 actually. Well, I probably was. I was up
Yeah.
there. All of them, I probably was the smartest one to take that test that day.
This is like across the whole country over like the last 10 years.
Okay, I'm forgetting something. What am I forgetting?
I don't know. Machine,
Got my
phone.
phone,
Gonna leave me here all by myself to my own devices.
They put that stuck in
Oh, I know.
trees, so watch out
You should
for
put an apple in a tree, see if he takes it. That could be him giving us. They leave gifts.
They do, don't they?
Yeah,
He about to leave nothing for him.
I know. Put an apple out there. See if it's still out there. Is it still out there?
But it's still out there. Yeah,
Put an apple way up in the tree.
And then that if he takes it on me, it's gonna be freaked out.
Yeah, but Bigfoot usually sticks them up in the tree though. High in the tree. They usually put it.
Yeah. That's close to the ground. I still can't figure out how that. That's a robin.
I know. It's freaky.
I'm moving on. Me back to Morgantown.
Is it? We're going into the woods this weekend at midnight tomorrow.
No, we're not.
Yeah, we are.
Too creepy down there.
We're going in there.
You won't go.
I'll go if you go.
Okay.
Taking a big light with us.
I'm taking a big gun with me.
No, you're not. We're gonna have no guns.
No, we're not.
Yeah, we are.
Hey, I
No
know.
guns.
I'm not going down without a gun.
Yeah, you are.
See all the stuff that was down there.
Just a couple foxes, a coyote, rabbits,
Coyotes, foxes,
rabbits,
rabbits.
squirrels,
What's a
possum.
squirrel? More squirrels than anything else.
Alright guys, I'll cut back later, but Dad's leaving for work, so whoop! Alright guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. But I'm home alone. It's been a while, but yeah, it's really windy outside, it's really dingy. There's a bird. But yeah, I'm ending the vlog here. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and peace!